I have this very detailed document and I want to create a presentation from it. Okay, so currently it's a Microsoft Word document, but I need to present it to someone. So I need this in PowerPoint. The document is called AI Enablement Strategy for Enterprise Organizations. What I'm going to do in Microsoft 365, open up Microsoft PowerPoint. First thing. Now, in this case, the scenario that I'm showing, I do have a Microsoft Copilot license, a paid license. So Copilot appears here. I would start by clicking on Copilot. Comes up over here. I'm going to click on Create a Presentation from File. If for some reason this does not come up, you just want to type in the following. Create a presentation from, and then click on the slash over here. Then click on Files. And that's going to give you the files that you have. Okay, but we're going to do it the easy way. So I'm not going to type this in. I'm going to click on the prompt, a pre-built prompt, create a presentation from file. Then from here, I can click on reference files. It's going to give me all the reference files that I have available to me within my SharePoint, OneDrive, etc. Now this is the one that I want, AI enablement strategy. That's the one I was showing you before. If this doesn't show up, obviously I can just start typing in the name and it's going to pull it up. Okay, but in this case, I'm going to click on it. Here's my file, and I'm going to say go. Now, before I click on go, you can add multiple files. I'm just going to add one, and that's my prompt right now. Create a presentation about this particular Word document, and then go. Now, this takes a minute or two, and it starts making all these topics. Okay, and it's going to make all these topics. You can make some changes or suggest changes or stuff like that. If and once you're okay with that, then you click on Generate Slides. So estimated number of slides, 28, maximum is 40. I am all good with what it's giving me right now, but once again, if you want to change stuff around, you can change things in here or delete. I'm gonna click on Generate Slides. This process does take a minute or two sometimes. So I'm gonna pause over here and come back when it's done. It's been a minute and it's still going right now, as you can see, generating these slides. Okay, so altogether, 2 minutes actually is all it took for it to generate these slides. Now they're fairly generic, but I'll show you how you can change the styling as well. It's pretty good, at least a good starting point for me. So I'm going to say keep it. Okay, document, my presentation is ready. I can go into my first one here. Now, as part of Copilot, the design suggestions is here as well. Okay, so you can click on this over here, and this will let you choose different designs for each of these slides. I'm going to click on Design Suggestions. Let's see what it recommends. Okay, so it's got some different designs that's recommending here. Let me just go ahead and choose one. I'll click on this one. Here we go. AI Enablement Strategy for Enterprise Organizations. Now I could do the exact same thing for others as well. But if you look at the actual PowerPoint with just the layout, the images that it created for you automatically using AI, and and the text that it's putting in the right place. Obviously, it's a good starting point. It's not complete, but even then, it just gives you a really good, really quick starting point instead of having to do everything from scratch. So that's how you take any Microsoft Word document and create a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation from that.